Good afternoon. This is the market update for buy sell short for Thursday, February 13th. Rather interesting day today. We have the Fed in taper mode, as you know. Last two meetings we've had a taper, and the consensus out there in the business media has been, whereas before bad economic data was good for the market because it would mean the Fed would keep the punch bowl there, the fact that the Fed is pulling back the punch bowl no matter what the economic data is, there is a view out there that bad economic data is bad for stocks. And we had a bad retail sales number this morning. We had a bad jobless claims number this morning. And as such, they gapped the market down. And not too long after the open, you can see it here on the 15-minute chart, we were down 100 points. And shorts started piling in, and shorts started pounding on their chest going, yeah, see, all you bulls got sucked in over the last couple of days. Back down we go into the downtrend. Interesting thing happened. Something we've seen happen many, many times over the last year, where all of a sudden we start to slowly move back up. And before you know it, at the end of the day, we're up 63 points on the day for a nice 170 plus point intraday reversal. Gotta love it. We've got a nice little bullish rectangle formation set up right here. If we flip over to the daily chart, you can see that consolidation here at the 20-day. The 50-day moving average is the breakout. RSI up through the 50 level looks great. That extreme negative MACD has now flipped into a positive MACD. Stochastics in a strong uptrend, and you know, we get a break through that 50-day moving average and you're going to have a lot of shorts going, crap, here we go again, and back up we go to new highs yet again. Dow Transports has been consolidating as well over the last couple of days, right at the 50-day moving average. And today we got a positive MACD cross. We also have stochastics breaking up through 50. Bullish development for a breakout in the next couple of days. Russell's actually been really, really strong. Probably, aside from the Dow, one of the strongest indices right now. Power move today up through the 50-day moving average. You can see RSI blasting up through 50. We broke through that 1144 level, and we are back in that move, back up to new highs. Positive MACD cross as well on the Russell, and stochastics up through 50. So the Russell's giving us an idea here of what the Dow Transports could possibly do tomorrow. Awesome, awesome market right now. A lot of momentum out there. Still a lot of scared money on the side. But, you know, I want to tell you something. We've actually been playing OTC stocks a little more. I mean, I can't remember the last time I played OTC stocks like we have right now. Probably 10 plus years ago, when the market, you know, the dot-com days, when everything was going bananas through 2003. It's feeling like that again right now in the OTC market. That is very, very bullish for the rest of the market. I know there are a lot of naysayers out there, but, you know, trade what the tape gives. And the tape right now says continue to buy dips. We've got great chart action on a lot of stocks. A couple to keep an eye on. AEZS is just consolidating here, waiting for a breakout. And when we get that 133 break, we're looking at a move to 153, 20-cent upside. Positive MACD cross is coiling here. This one's probably going to go, I would say, in the next day or two would be my thinking on this chart, just based on how we've seen some of these other biotech stocks go boom. FSI, monster move for us from the initial entry a couple of days ago. It's come back on very low volume. Let me tell you something. I just walked out into the backyard here in San Diego. 85 degrees it is here right now. I'm actually getting ready to turn on my air conditioner. And I know I'm not trying to rub it into you guys on the mid and east coast, you know, digging yourselves out of a snowstorm. But crazy, crazy weather all over, especially here in California. You know, this is usually our cold time of the year. I usually have a fire going. You know, I'm preparing to go on a trip up to the snow. Not happening. There's no damn snow here. There's no water, and it's only going to get worse. And that makes this stock a big-time play into the summer. If these guys get any sort of contract deal with one of the California water districts, off to the races we go. Strong support should be found around this 95 cent to $1 area. We had that big spike up on big volume, down on much lower volume. So let's see if we can get a continuation move, because, you know, things are getting pretty bad here in California, let me tell you. And for you people on the East Coast that go, who cares about California and the drought? You may not realize it, but a vast majority of fruits and vegetables are grown here. And the longer this crisis goes on, the more expensive your groceries are going to be. So we need water to grow that crap, and this stock can help us save the water that we have. IDN, boom. What can I say? You know, if you didn't have the patience and stopped out of this stock and waited for that break at 60 cents, you still made a 33% gain on this one. It was just a matter of being patient. I would say, 90+% of the plays we've done so far this year have gone boom. It's just a matter of being patient on some of them. And even if you get stopped out or get impatient on them, if you rebuy the breakouts on them, you're still able to rack up the profits on some of these stocks. Strong stock charts are just blowing up left and right. CLWT. Now, this is a play on one. We jumped into CHGS yesterday in the chat room, and it's one we've been playing since down here in the 20s. China fracking play. Nice little flag setup on this one yesterday. We jumped in 39.40 cents, hit 63 cents today. 50% move in a couple of days. A lot of chatter on the fracking plays. Here's another one, CLWT, mega low flow play. 525 sets it free. I mean, this was the breakout here at $5. I believe they have a conference in China that they are at, a water conference on Tuesday. Any sort of positive press out of this one, you can see it, you know, blasting up to the $6 level. Quick reminder, market is closed on Monday for a holiday, so keep that in mind on what positions you pick up tomorrow. Guess what woke up today? DCTH. NASH plays are blowing up. Now, if you wonder what a NASH play is, that's essentially liver cancer plays. These stocks have just been going bananas over the last few days. Very nice cup and handle formation on this one. You know, what it's probably going to take to like DCTH is a break through the 200-day moving average, 36, 37 cents. When it happens, you know, 50 cents plus is probably going to be the magnet. RGDX, gene stocks doing very, very well today. We finally got that break through the 147 resistance. We got halted a little bit at $1.50, but the real volume hasn't come in here. Target 168, 200-day moving average. Positive MACD cross likely on this one tomorrow. Rock solid support is at the 50-day moving average, 134 to 136. One of our other little biotech stocks yesterday went boom! All that research I sent out a couple of weeks ago on PTN when we jumped into it, female Viagra, how the market is worth billions, this market cap is cheap, the conference they had in January, how they said they had a European partner, that they're in discussions with other partners. Well, the brokerages are starting to pick up on that. Of course, you know, yesterday we had two different brokerages come out, give a $2 plus target, which I believe is extremely cheap. This is a major buyout target, I believe. Phase 3 trial news is coming. Positive MACD cross on the chart. As you can see, we broke that downtrend line on bounce volume. Look at our bounce volume here. They are moving into this stock big time. 120 close is the breakout. If you're looking for an additional entry on this one, 120 break would be it. And your stops would be 105 to 110. So great setup on this one. Looking really, really good. So going into tomorrow, we've got some nice setups. Chat room, all the weather going on. The servers went down, but they came back up at the end of the day. So everything should be fine in the chat room tomorrow. If it's not, I've got a secondary backup chat room set up. I'll send the email details out on that if we need it tomorrow. But have a great night, guys. Market is rocking. See you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Bye.